What's up, YouTube? It is September 27th, I think right at about 10 a.m. Sunday. Not sure what the weather is. Feels like it's about 65, 70. So right now, there's the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride that goes on today. I am definitely not a distinguished gentleman, and I don't own anything to try to make me look like one. But Miss Emma from Motorcycles and Misfits is going to be in San Luis Obispo for the ride. And at first I was just going to hop on my bike and see if I happen to see Miss Emma, because the DGR website said it's a solo ride. They don't want anybody meeting up, and post had even said that they were deleting comments on their Facebook page where people were trying to plan meets because of COVID. So I just emailed the Misfits and said, hey, I'm gonna head down to SLO today and see if I luck out and see Miss Emma. And then Miss Emma sent me an email and said where they were going to be. I forgot the name of the coffee shop, but I put the address in my nav. But she said, hey, we're gonna be meeting at 10 o'clock at this coffee shop and leaving at 10:30. So I'm not going on the ride. I just thought I'd go by and say hello. I should be able to make it before they depart. My nav says I'll be there at 10:20. It's 10 something, 1000 block of Higuera. So I thought, hey, we'll go over and I'll just say hi to Miss Emma. Probably slow down though, I don't want to get another ticket. So anyways, I saw that email at 9:55 a.m. It's a couple minutes after 10. Sitting there in my shorts and t-shirt, drinking my coffee. I just gotten out of bed about 9:30. For some reason I was thinking, oh, they'll probably start riding around noon. But maybe she came down last night and stayed in SLO somewhere. Or maybe she got up really early and headed over. So I grabbed threw the GoPro on the helmet, grabbed some extra batteries, a couple waters. I'm not wearing any protective gear, which I was going to wear my new jeans, but they still had the tags on them, and I was like, oh, that's too much effort to get them ready to wear. So I just grabbed my Motorcycles and Misfits t-shirt, threw on some old jeans and some boots and gloves. And I didn't bring a jacket because I think it's supposed to be like 90 today, 95. Although I'll probably be back before it gets that hot. Hey, Miss Emma! All right. Mike. Yep. Yeah, I saw your email about 9:55.
What do you think you are?
I'm in a Tascadero.
It's so nice.
Nice to meet you.
It really is. Ah.
Here.
Well, this is the Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. I'm way underdressed. Although I'm gonna break off pretty soon because I got a ton of stuff to do today. the 2020 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride. So they raise money. I believe when I went to the website, it's for men's mental health. But also distinguished women are invited to the ride. Pretty cool with old Norton, old Triumphs. Be cool to have some of these bikes if I had a place to put them. So I came down, got to meet Miss Emma, got a picture with her. I'll send it into Motorcycles and Misfits. She's super nice, Miss Emma. Maybe next year I'll go buy me an outfit and do this. I'll fit in a little better. I think oh, they're back there. So I think only about a quarter of the group's up here, but I see a few more behind us.
Okay. His friend, and I can't remember his name. Maybe.
That's a nice bike, Miss Emma. I haven't been in a group ride in like 2 years. It's been a while, long while. Well, that was cool. Got to meet Miss Emma from Motorcycles and Misfits podcast. Too bad I didn't have such a busy day, could do the whole ride. Whew, it's hot. Too bad it wasn't on my 4-day weekend coming up. Alright, so that was the 2020 Distinguished Gentleman's Ride, the first stretch. I wasn't able to do the whole thing. I think they said they were headed to a Royal Grande next. They were finishing up at Fat Cats at the end of the day. But I got a ton of stuff to do, somebody to pick up. But it was nice to get to go just for a little bit. I haven't really ridden the bike for pleasure in a while. It's just been to get to work every day. And I haven't been in a group ride in probably 2 years. Actually, maybe it was a few months before COVID. Maybe about a year. I'm trying to remember what the last ride I went on was. That was cool. It's pretty cool old bikes. Maybe next year I'll see if I can find an outfit so I can fit in. I figured I'd wear my motorcycles and oh, it's funny, when I rolled in, Emma like pointed and waved at me. I'm like, oh, how does she know who I am? I didn't say what kind of bike I was on, and duh, I got a Motorcycles and Misfits podcast t-shirt on, and I said I'd be wearing that in the email. Okay, I'm a little slow sometimes. Oh wow, look at that. Old oval window Volkswagen. I'd love to have one of those. And we're home. That was nice to get a little ride in today. Not a very long one, but hey, some is better than none. Now to get all my work done. Back to not having any fun.